we are going to explain how to prepare the gold panning workshop. In fact, we have some bags already prepared with the concentrate in case of we have no time to prepare everything. Anyway, the most important thing are the pans. These are small pans. This is the big pan which normally use the trainer. The trainer and explains the real pan in a river. This is a professional pan and those are for the students. We also need this to put the concentrate into small bags. We are going to explain this during the workshop. These are the logos of the participants of this workshop. We have these bags already prepared with sand and inside the concentrate. This is the stuff that we are going to put into the pan and we're going to wash and concentrate. If the students are very young, we use less amount of sand. If they are big students, big boys and girls, we use more sand in order to stay longer panning. We need to put here the concentrate, which is normally we don't use gold, we use pyrite. Depending on the age of the children, for younger people we use bigger nuts, and for older we use smaller nuts. And also we can have this kind of concentrate, which is normally iron and tin. And how to prepare these bags? We have here ordinary sand that we use in civil in works. We put some of this sand into the bag, and then into the bag we put the sand, and then we put some pieces of the concentrate, pyrite or whatever, and then we have this already prepared. It's important to do this like 1 hour before the workshop, because during the workshop it's like really a chaos of people around and we don't have time to prepare. So normally take 1 or 2 hours before to prepare everything. Then where are we going to wash? Where are we going to pan? Here we have these swimming pools for children, these toys, and then we have to fill it with water. It's important, we need the swimming pool full of water in order to wash and to pan the concentrate. We are going to explain how it works later during the workshop. In this gold panning workshop, we used to have low profile containers, but they were complicated. They were very heavy and not very easy to carry. So now we are using this kind of toy swimming pools, which are very cheap, and we have to fill with water until the top. And in fact, the size of this swimming pool is perfect. It's very suitable for young children. And well, of course, adults have to be. It's not so comfortable for adults, but for children it's perfect. So this is the toy swimming pool that we are using, very cheap, and we can buy online, whatever.